So if you're trying to delete your purchase history on Shopee, so here is how you can try to do this. So firstly, go to Shopee and log into your Shopee account. Once you're on your Shopee here, there is a help option here. Click on the help option because unfortunately Shopee doesn't allow you to delete your entire purchase history by yourself. So you have to reach out to their help team in order to get this done for you. So once you're on the help center, scroll all the way down and you'll see there is a customer service options here. So you can give a call if you want to talk with them to a call, but you can simply use the chat option here. So once you click on the chat option here, you'll be connected to a live agent. So once you're connected to a live agent, just let them know that you want to delete your purchase history, and just let them know why do you want to delete it, because and only if it's possible based on their policies and procedures, they will be able to help you with it and start the process with it. But other than that, you won't be able to do it by yourself or within the app, because for security and policy reasons, they don't really offer the option to completely delete your purchase history. So you just have to reach out to the support team in either one of these ways, and then request them to delete it for you, and they will action it if it's possible for them to do it on your end. And that's basically pretty much it is.